Good morning. I'm 3 minutes earlier today, and I am on Long Island. So, this is the current view, and I have to put my phone outside and get a little bit inside because it's quite chilly. I hope you can hear me well. If not, please let me know, and I will try to adjust. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Gina. Oh, Gina is saying it's 67 in Cozumel this morning, so it's cold too. I mean, not as cold as here. It's 30, but yeah, 67 in Cozumel is nice. I like it. All right, it is time for us to start. And in our last session, we started discussing the 5 qualities that we develop through our meditation practice. It's very useful to remember these qualities when you ask yourself the question, why do I meditate? And I'll remind you that the first quality we develop through meditation is commitment to ourselves. It means that showing up to our meditation immediately translates into our daily life as a certain loyalty to ourselves, just because we are consistent with our effort. And of course, it's super important because, as some of you mentioned last time, often it's much easier for many of us to keep promises that we make to others than keep promises to ourselves. And meditation practice teaches us to be there for ourselves, no matter what. The second quality that we generate in meditation is clear seeing, clear awareness. Through meditation, we develop this ability to catch ourselves when we're spinning off or hardening to circumstances and people, or somehow closing down to life in general. We start to catch the beginnings of a neurotic chain reaction that limits our ability to experience joy or connect with others. When we learn to stay in meditation no matter what, through pleasant and unpleasant experiences, we begin to form a non-judgmental, unbiased clarity of just seeing things the way they are. Thoughts come, emotions come, and we can see them ever so clearly without necessarily acting on them. In meditation, you're moving closer and closer to yourself, and you begin to understand yourself so much better. You begin to see clearly without a conceptual analysis. Because with regular practice, you see what you do over and over and over again. You see that you replay the same tapes of thoughts over and over and over in your mind. The name of the partner might be different, the employer might be different, but the themes are somewhat repetitious. Meditation helps us to clearly see ourselves and the habitual patterns that limit our life. We begin to see our options clearly as well. So really meditation deepens our understanding of ourselves. So let's do a short meditation now with this quality of clear awareness in mind. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Let your breath be soft and easy, completely natural, nothing forced. And just check in with yourself. Pause for presence. See where you are at right now. So sweep your body from top to bottom or from bottom to top, scanning for various sensations, physical, emotional, mental. What is the strongest experience you're feeling at this very moment? Can you contact this experience non-verbally, just getting a felt sense of what's happening? Today we'll do a practice that is similar to the clouds and the sky exercise that we've been playing with for the past couple of days. But instead of imagining the sky above you and placing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations on the passing clouds, imagine now that you're sitting or standing on a pier, gazing at the ocean, looking at the boats passing by. These boats symbolize your thoughts. Some of them are big, important thoughts, like huge cruise ships. Others are small, like fishing boats. Some of them move slowly, others dart around back and forth, like some of the thoughts in our mind often do. You are on the pier, simply looking at the boats of your thoughts. Maybe labeling them, naming them. Oh, this is a worry I often have, and this is a happy memory, etc. Or maybe not even naming, simply watching without words. Keep your breathing nice and rhythmic. and just watch what's happening in the ocean in front of you. Can you see clearly that some thoughts are repeating themselves over and over again, and other thoughts are new? Can you see clearly the patterns of your thinking process? And of course, remember that it's absolutely natural to lose track of this exercise, and it will happen from time to time. So if you suddenly find yourself on board one of the boats, actively thinking this thought instead of simply looking at it from the pier, don't worry. Don't get frustrated or judgmental with yourself. Remind yourself that this is the nature of the mind, to suck you into the thinking process, yanking you away from the present moment. Just note this and simply return back to the pier, back to watching the boats of your thoughts pass by. And now bring your attention back to your breath. Again, notice the steady rhythm of your breath that is with you all the time, calming, nurturing, soothing. And return your awareness back to this moment, to the space you're in right now. Perhaps scan your body again and notice how you're feeling now, physically, emotionally, mentally. Has this exercise helped you see something clearly? As you go through your day today, I invite you to repeat this exercise as many times as you want and see if it helps you see your internal narrative more clearly, as if, as it unfolds in front of you. See if this practice helps you to simply be with yourself without judgment, without getting frustrated. Remember that this is the main purpose of meditation, being with yourself no matter what, cultivating the quality of loyalty to yourself and the quality of clear seeing, clear awareness. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here this morning. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.